So this is my Covington, Kentucky deck restoration painting project, and it's a tiny little deck. It has a few little problems going on, mainly sun damage. Common themes that I keep telling you guys about: sun damage, cracks, mildew growth. This deck, it actually needed a few boards replaced. You guys can see here a few boards on the deck here. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys a few areas that we worked on, and we're looking forward to the transformation here. As you can see, this is what we talk about with sun damage. Okay, the expansion and contraction cycle of these floorboards have opened up hairline cracks. Okay, the Kong armor system is designed to come in and encapsulate all these boards and cover in these cracks, 90% of them. It's very, very hard to get all of them. We do the very best that we can. The thing about this is, most of these cracks, as they are, the sun is able to dry them out in enough time anyways. It's the sum total of them all that starts to cause trouble, right? So as long as we can get 90% of them, it's good. The real bad thing is when you have a crack that's going through a fastener right here, because now we get water that sits down in that fastener and starts to cause corrosion, and it starts to cause damage. Common themes that I tell you guys about. We had some loose rails. Some rails that just weren't super tight, and so we came in, we added blocks underneath of them to tighten them up, and now this rail is really, really solid now. We washed all this. We washed this deck floor really well, and washed the deck really well. Next, we'll come in and we'll start filling cracks like this with elastomer or epoxy, either or. It depends on the applicator. Some guys like to fill this with elastomer, other guys epoxy. That's fine. And then we'll encapsulate all this with our armor coating. This deck, we fixed a handrail here too. So this deck is going to get completely resurfaced inside and out. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like when it's 100% complete. It's going to be a very, very beautiful deal, and they're going to have a lifetime limited warranty on this. They're going to have service for life, right? No other deck painter in the nation would offer this to them. We do at Kong Armor. We keep our customers for life. Stand by for this beautiful transformation here in Covington, okay? I'm here at the Barking Dog Deck in Covington, Kentucky. An extremely sun damaged deck. I mean, the wood had fraying on it. It looked like pieces of paper sort of hanging off the side of the wood, and it was where the wood had been frayed from the sun damage. This deck had boards that were rotten all the way through. So 5 or 6 boards were replaced on this. Handrails were replaced on it. A bunch of checking on the posts, large cracks in the posts we filled in, and then we came in with several coats of our thick build, high stretch deck armor, and just completely locked down the old frayed wood and the old peeling paint. Locked down, splinterlock technology. This deck also has a mildew guard and algae guard that stops the growth of mildew and algae for up to 2 years. I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful this turned out. The difference in our product is high build. okay, over what you would get from, like, say, a generic deck painter or something like that. The build is just higher. So the thickness of our elastomer system comes in most of the time. The initial film is 3 to 4 times thicker than paint, but then it has expansion abilities that can take it, depending on the temperature, up to 30 times thicker than regular, you know, run-of-the-mill deck paint that you would buy at Home Depot or something like that. You can see the floor now is completely, just completely locked down. This had millions and millions of cracks in it, and now it's completely locked down. Very little cracks, very few gaps. Just an absolutely beautiful deck. Turned out really, really pretty. The rails turned out very pretty. This was all frayed wood that just wasn't in great shape. Top rails turned out very pretty. You can see the steps turned out gorgeous. Here's the deal. You want an armor deck paint system that's beautiful and long lasting, like the one here behind me. Visit www.kongarmor.com and click get free quote. We spend all of our time battling this dude right here, the sun, for our customers. Lifetime maintenance, lifetime limited warranty is what we're all about, is taking care of decks for life.